Okay, so it is Sunday, November 10th, I think. Yeah, Sunday, November 10th. And we just did a hour and a half ride northeast of Chiang Mai to Buatong Waterfall. And it is absolutely beautiful up here. And we're just going to cruise around and take a look at everything and go climb around in some waterfalls. This place is supposed to be amazing because you're supposed to be able to just climb up the waterfalls and not slip all over the place. But got some fresh food, little papaya salad, little chicken off the spit. I know you're really excited about it. This is very cool. So what do we have here? We're gonna have some lunch and then go explore a little bit, take some more pictures. Should be a very, very cool, beautiful day here in Chiang Mai. So we'll take a break for now. And come on back.